Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell because you don't miss any of my future videos. I do upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but as we are getting into Halloween and Christmas season, I will be uploading all the time. So make sure that notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any of my future videos, especially because there's going to be a bonus video tomorrow as well. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be going through everything that is in the Game of Thrones and Revolution collection, and then the next 2 days, so tomorrow and the day after, I will do my reviews on the whole collection. So let's just get straight into it. So the first one is absolutely huge. This is the Revolution and Game of Thrones map palette. This retails for £26, $32, €27.99 and 52 Australian dollars. So this is huge. It kind of reminds me of the Matrix one. Do you know, it had like the two pills. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and then this is what the palette looks like. So it has two halves, and some of them have, like, just a handful of the shades have different names on them. So like the blue one is Winterfell. Don't know how you say that. And then we have like White Harbour is this one up here, and then we have, for instance, like King's Landing, Dragonstone. So yeah, this is the big palette from the collection. Like I said, I will be doing a review on all of these. If you do want to pick anything up from the collection, don't forget that I do have a 20% off code. So if you use the code LUCE20, Luce20, it gets you 20% off the Revolution UK, US and the Australian website, which is absolutely amazing. I don't make any money from the code. You just all know this by now. It just helps to save you some pennies, and the more that we use it, the more they will keep renewing it for us, which is really sweet of them. So, of course, we have a bag in the collection. This is what the Game of Thrones bag looks like. This is the Velvet Cosmetic bag. This retails for £10, $12, €9.99 and then 16 Australian dollars. And then the inside just looks like this. It's quite like a decent size bag. We also have a brush set from this collection. By the way, if I butcher any of the names in this collection, I do apologise. Can you believe I've never watched Game of Thrones? Blake has, but I never have. Am I missing out? So obviously we have the brush set. This retails for £20, $25, €21.99 and then 40 Australian dollars. And then this is the type of brushes that you get. But like I said, I will be doing a video testing everything over the next 2 days, so please don't forget to hit subscribe. The next thing, which to be fair, out of the whole collection, these next two are the things that really excited me. In case you're wondering what's on my lip, by the way, I have on the Revolution Pro lip liner in the shade Latte with the Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Reveal with the Revolution Pro. This is the Hydra Bright Plumping Lip Gloss in clear. This is absolutely amazing. I've just filmed a full face of Revolution Pro in case you couldn't tell. It will be up on my channel in the next coming weeks. But anyways, as I was saying, these two palettes are the things that really excited me for this collection. So this collection actually has 3 Forever Flawless palettes, but these two are the ones that I'm like, oh my god. So this is the Winter is Coming palette, and then we also have Mother of Dragons, and then the other one I might as well show you whilst I'm here. This one is Three-Eyed Raven, and these are all the same price. So these are £12, $18, €12.99 and then 24 Australian dollars. So this is the Mother of Dragons one, and then when you open her up, I'm sorry, but this is stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh. This is what it looks like. I cannot wait to try this. If you don't know, by the way, I do my reviews separately from obviously my reveal video, and I do all the swatches in them videos as well. I am going to do a video where I do this on one eye and then this one on the other. I feel like it's just going to look, I was going to say fire then. The pun. It's because that's quite a fiery palette, isn't it? You know what I mean. I don't have to explain that, but you know. And then we have the Winter is Coming one, and you probably guessed what the inside looks like. So this is what it looks like. I've just stuck my finger in that one. And then this is what it looks like close up. I love with this one that there's, and the other one as well, that there's so many mattes in the palette. So you can definitely get like a really good, nice blue look with it. I was so excited to put this on my face. Oh, them palettes, when I saw them, I was like, wow. wow. Even with me not knowing anything about Game of Thrones, I was like, yeah, I need them. Thank you very much. And then the other one, which was this one here. This one is more if you are more into like neutrals. And to be fair, this probably would be the palette I'd get the most use out of all three of them, because I'd probably reach for these more because they're more like everyday night out kind of vibes for me. And then this is just what it looks like up close. Again, the thing I absolutely love about this palette and the other ones is how many mattes there are. Like there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mattes out of 18. Like 8 shimmers, 10 mattes, beautiful. Beautiful. And I love that there's a matte black as well. Oh, it's like the colour selections for these palettes have just been done so well. And of course we're not done, there's still more things for me to show you. I'm going to show you this one next. So this is the Shadow Bomb set. It has 3 Shadow Bomb metallic eyeshadows in there. I'm sure that last one's metallic. Let me open it up. For the set of 3, it is £15, $20, €15.99, and then 30 Australian dollars. Now that I look at it, I think this black might be a matte one, you know. I think that's matte. Imagine that as like a base for like a black smoky eye. Wow. Didn't smell anything. Don't know why I thought it would smell of something. But that is the black one. I might as well swatch the other ones whilst I'm here, mightn't I? I mean, it'd be rude not to. So I'd probably use these more as like a topper, because like that's the silver one, and then a gold. Please do not let me down with the gold. I love gold. And then that is what all 3 of them look like in the gold. Oh, I'm excited to see what these are like on my eyes, with my eyes being hooded as well, like whether they would set down or whether they would crease on me or not. Very interested to see what they're like. And obviously that is a little set of 3. Oh, I can't get over that. Wow. Something that we haven't seen in a collection or even out for quite a while is new matte bombs. So there's 4 of these. I'm not even going to try to butcher the names of them. I'll show you them up close so you know what the names are, because I ain't even going to try. But these retail for £6, $8, €6.99, and then 12 Australian dollars. This is the name of the first one. You can kind of see the colour through it as well. I'll do a little swatcheroo. Ooh, that is beautiful. This is the next one, which is a more of like a deeper purple. Oh my god. The pigment. Why am I sniffing it still? It just smells like normal matte bombs. This is the next one. That is the red one. And then this one is the last one. And then I've just messily swatched that one. That is what they look like up close. Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting to start swatching in this video, but I just couldn't resist. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So that is the 4 matte bombs, which by the way are just liquid lipsticks in case you're wondering what that is. So one of the items hasn't actually arrived yet, but I really wanted to get this video filmed ready, so I got it up on launch date for you. So the thing that I'm missing is a red sponge, and it comes on like this little iron like throne. So I'll pop a little picture on so you can see what it looks like. It is so cute, but I didn't want to wait to film this video so I could still get it up for you. So if it hasn't come in time for me to do my reviews, I'm just going to do my reviews without it, because it's a sponge. It's not like it's a palette that I'm missing. But yeah, cannot wait for it to finally arrive, because it looks so stinking cute and on its little throne as well. Oh, I can't wait. But we have 3 more things left in the collection. So the first thing that we have is the Dragon Lash Mascara. The packaging is really nice on this. This retails for £8, $10, €7.99, and then 16 Australian dollars. And we will try that very, very soon in tomorrow's video or the day after. Probably tomorrow's, I would have thought. And then the other 2 things, like I said, are things that are already part of Revolution's like core range, but they've brought it out in like special packaging for this collection, which is really cool. So it's good. I was holding that one upside down. It's good if you really, really like Game of Thrones and you wanted to try this, or if it's like a product that you've always used and you want to get it for the Game of Thrones collection, then you can. So the first thing we have is the Game of Thrones soap styler. This retails for £6, $8, €6.99, and then 12 Australian dollars, so the same price as the matte bombs. But the difference is, obviously this one is red, it has the Game of Thrones logo on it, and then inside it just looks like this. I'll show you compared to the original soap styler. So this is obviously the original soap styler, and then this is the Game of Thrones edition. Oh, what I will say though is the Game of Thrones one has a different spoolie compared to the Revolution one. As you can tell, this one has been used quite a few times, as you can tell by the state of it. So yeah, really good if you wanted to try it for the first time. You can get the Game of Thrones version, or if it, again, like I said, if it's a product that you know that you always like to use and always reach for, and you like Game of Thrones, at least you can get your next one in a Game of Thrones thingy. Same for this bad boy. So this is the Game of Thrones Raven Black eyeliner. So this is the Renaissance Flick Raven Black eyeliner. So this is just what it looks like, and then obviously it has the Game of Thrones logo on the back, and this retails for £5, $9, €5.99, and then 10 Australian dollars, and then it just looks like this. And I'll show you it compared to, this is the original Renaissance, like with the gold packaging, and obviously this is the Raven Black Game of Thrones version. So yeah, that is absolutely everything, obviously minus my sponge, which I cannot wait to get my hands on. I would love to know down below if you are picking anything up from the collection. If so, what are you fancying? Like I do say in a future video when I'm doing this full Face of Rev Pro, please do not feel pressured that with all these releases that are coming out, because I know Halloween's coming up, Christmas is coming up, please do not feel pressured to try and keep up with the Joneses, try and keep up appearances and buy all these new launches. You don't need them. You don't need them. It's as simple as that. If you want to get something, then please do. Please use my code. Like I said, I don't make any money off it, but it'll help to save you some pennies. But please, please, please do not get yourself in debt. Do not spend absolutely loads of money just to try and keep up with all of the launches, because there's too many. There's too many brands bringing stuff out. There's too much on TikTok Shop. There's too much Christmas stuff coming. It's just going to be unrealistic, completely unrealistic. So please, please, please shop responsibly. Hope everyone's good. If you do want to wait for my reviews will be tomorrow and the day after. If you're watching this after Wednesday, the 7th of September, then my reviews will already be up on my YouTube channel. So make sure you go and check them out. Thank you so much, and I'll hopefully see you in tomorrow's video for the start of my reviews. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Peace out.